One. Hi guys, today we're doing mini fidgets
versus big fidgets.
Yeah.
Remember in the previous video, fidget trading?
Yeah. Oh no.
So
What just happened? Okay, it's okay.
So we are trying to make puppet.
And yeah, a lot of
Simple
things.
dimples.
Yeah, I showed you pretty much fidgets, like mini fidgets. And guys, I did show you all the fidgets what I have, all of them. So I think you should know what fidgets I have if you watch the videos.
If you watch our videos.
Yeah.
Well, mostly hers, but sometimes ours. Like mini poppet, mini poppet, mini poppet,
Mini poppet.
Bunch of mini poppets, mini poppet, squishy.
Okay.
So you know, technically, like mochis. We also even have mochis.
Yeah, and actually,
And they only cost $15 each.
amazing. And also, I actually did a new fidget what we didn't have before, and it is a tangle. Let me show you guys. So here it is. It's a purple one. I know like a lot of tangles are like different colors, not like one color, but it's okay. There is at least yeah. It's okay. It still looks like a tangle.
It's pretty much awesome.
Yeah. So we have a lot of fidgets. So we have straws here to do some pop tubes. Okay. And right here, other mini fidgets. We have emojis and a lot more stuff. So let's compare a mini tangle to a big one. So let me get one. So is there any here? Let's see. We don't see any. Let's see.
What are you looking for?
A tangle because I want to compare it to the big one. Oh, there's two. Okay, let's get I don't know. Just let's get both. Okay, so right here I have this tangle here. And let's compare it to the big one. Let's get, I don't know, I'm gonna get this one. I don't know. So here is the little tangle and compared to the big tangle. I know this is a straight line, but we can make it a straight line. Look, guys. We can make it a straight line. Let me move some.
Sorry, do you not
here? I'm going to move it back, okay? So look, actually you can, wait. Wow. It's not freaking. Oh, there we go. So actually you can break it like this. And now it looks just like this. Look. Oh no, I broke it in two pieces. Anyway, look, this looks really fun. Looks really like, it looks just like this. So let's put it into the mini fidgets.
Oh, and by the way, when we say mini fidgets, we're talking about these.
Yeah. We have a lot of different mini fidgets there. They're so tiny.
So we have straws. Are you wondering why? I hope you guys are. Because let me show you how. You cut right here. Sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry if I hit you guys in the face. So here we go. Mini pop tube.
And yeah, you can actually play with it, like, actually.
See?
That's so cool. I can't put it back. So, how do you put this back?
I would never take it off like that if I were you, kids. Oh, are you wondering our age and... 8. We're both 8.5. I'm sitting down.
Okay, how do you connect this? Can you do it? Can you connect it? Because I don't know. I know how. I don't know how.
Oh, guys.
It's hard.
It's pretty easy.
There. Okay, so let me do one. Okay, so we have also a green one, and if you have like different color straws, amazing. You could do like really cool pop tubes, like like with stripes maybe. So you could, and that would be amazing if you had like straws with stripes. As you can see, we don't.
I'm sleeping.
Where are you cutting? And here you have a pop tube. Look, you could literally unpop it. Look. Unpopped pop tube. Pop tube. Popped tube and unpopped pop tube.
And this is...
Oh no.
Here's a little pencil bag for all of you. I don't know where. Okay, we'll just send a picture.
Yeah, something.
We'll open it like that, close it, and that kind of scared me. Hey, little babies, you know.
Subscribe right now.
Oh, subscribing. 5 seconds.
5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
And time's up. If you subscribed, amazing. Thank you so much. If you didn't, still great job because, you still subscribe right now. So,
And if you have seen the other video, it's probably still loading right now, though.
Yeah.
But you should.
When it's uploaded.
And comment.
Yeah. Comment
Who's
on the videos.
rich? Hide it. I'm gonna hide it.
What?
Under here. Never mind. We're talking about family.
Don't leave that. What are you doing? Let me hit it. Okay. So, do you have any? Wait. How about if we make some mini things out of this? Wait, we can make a jumbo puppet out of this piece of paper. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna do a jumbo puppet, and a jumbo puppet is supposed to be pretty big, but these are mini fidgets. So my jumbo puppet is not gonna be that big. It's just going to be kind of big, like this. I think that's pretty like a jumbo puppet. So now I'm going to make it like a really cool. I'm gonna paint it like cool color.
Eliana.
What?
We'll be right back. In a couple hours.
Okay, so I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna make a really cool puppet. What's going to be like amazing.
I'm only using. Oh, sorry about that. I'm only using.
I'm using this color right now. I'm using this yellow color right now.
Hey, don't get on my Sharpies.
Okay. So this is what I did. Now I need to do the other side. I need to do the other side and then the poppers, and I'm all done.
Do not mind the baby crying. It's her friend. It's my baby. You don't know where it lives. Right, Aliana?
It's my baby. Okay. That's my baby right there. I don't know. I don't know why.
Oh no, I messed up.
My baby's crying.
Like always.
So, now I've got a yellow puppet on both sides, this side and this side. And now I just need to do the poppers. And I'm gonna use this marker. Okay, I'm gonna use this marker. There. Okay.
Aliana, are you kind of hungry?
Not really.
Well, I'm kind of hungry. What is this?
So I am making a jumbo puppet. So it's supposed to have. So I'm making a jumbo puppet. So I'm supposed to do a lot of poppers. And here it is. How? Yeah. Now I need to do the. Oh. Anyway, I'm just going to do it again. I'm just going to trace it over.
I'm using yellow.
Okay.
I'm only doing the colors that I feel like it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
I just keep on grabbing. Sorry about this, everyone.
So I am done with my jumbo puppet. So both sides, this side and this side.
What is this?
And this side.
Holy, I'm a unicorn.
This side.
I'm not killing you.
So I have a jumbo puppet now, and let's add it to the collection.
Done.
We have a lot of pop tubes now.
Here's Mini Luna. That was one dead.
Wait. Can we? I'm gonna look at my fidgets, and maybe I will get some new ideas of what I can make with Chloe. Dimple. No. Fidget spinners. I'm gonna cut out a little fidget spinner.
Oh! Oh no, no, you can make a fidget spinner. Ew, why is she doing that?
So, I'm gonna...
You know what was kind of a little weird? We opened the marker at the same time.
This.
Wait, we forgot to finish our zombie survivor.
Yeah, but okay. So now I'm gonna cut out this spinner. So
oh, you know what?
Scissors. What?
Chicken butt. You know how? Wait, how do you do it? How do you do it? Just an extra sticky tape in it. Okay.
Okay. We're cutting Okay, so I made a little fidget spinner. What are you making?
Okay, I'm making a
So I made a little fidgety spinner. I just cut it out. And now I'm going to color it. And I'm going to color it light green. What are you doing? Okay, so... Oh, this one is drying out. Then I'm going to use paint.
Wait, which one's drying out?
Oh, no, this one.
Okay, then I'll tape it up.
What are you doing?
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tape this marker up because I'm really bored. I don't know how to make fidget spinners, so.
Okay, so I am done with my fidget spinner. Here it is. Little pink fidget spinner. And now let's add it to our mini fidget bin. This video is, I think, amazing, so I think you should like,
Follow, and share.
Let's put the gun right here. No. Okay. Sorry.
Sorry about this, guys. She's just digesting. I'm trying to fix you guys.
Trying to put it so you guys can see it, both of us. What is this? What? Oh, there. There.
Eliana, look.
What are you doing with the marker? It's drying out, so we still don't need it. Let me close this.
I'm still taping up the marker.
Guys, look how many fidgets now we have.
We're like a rich mini person, right?
I'm gonna look for some more fidgets, but we can do.
And comment best friends forever.
Wait.
And type coconut, K-O-K-O, coconut,
And UT.
and UT 148 at Coco, K-O-K-O-N-U-T 148. And go on TikTok if you even have TikTok. You can download it, but it's not a virus. I promise you.
Okay, so wait. What about monkey noodles?
How do we do that?
I don't know, but I don't know, but I gotta think. I don't want to do everything out of paper.
We don't make everything out of paper.
Something. Like,
Oh no. I messed up. I'm gonna tape you guys up. Get off me, get off. Bad tape.
I'm going to right now try to find something to make a monkey noodle or like more materials we can use to make fidgets. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back like in a minute. I don't know.
Like a second.
Not a second. It was already a second.
It's 2 seconds ago. No, it's 100 million seconds ago. Do not like, follow. Do not like, and only subscribe to like. Thank you very much. Guys, I'll be back. I promise you. And I taped it up. Only stare at her and comment what hairstyle we should do next.
So we didn't Well, I didn't find anything for now, but we'll still figure out something. Are you pirate?
You know, we should play pirates.
I don't know, maybe. But wait.
We'll keep you posted, okay? We
Anyway.
promise we'll keep you posted.
Okay, so there's maybe going to be a part 2 of this video. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.
And wait, comment Toka Boca, please. I want to know how are you in it, and comment Roblox, your username, and your favorite Roblox game.
Yeah.
So I don't have a lot of friends.
Bye.
Oh, my cousin. Bye.